To our Business and Science Award for Manufacturing, and I'd like to invite up Adam Pankela from Velis to give this award away. Adam, please come join us on stage.
The nominees in this category are Gala International, Signify, Smart Tech 3D, and Parashape.
Thank you.
4 nominees.
So Adam, welcome to the stage, and thank you for helping us hand out this award.
Good evening, and the winner in the category in Business and Science is Signify.
So, congratulations. Let's have a look at our photographers here. Say a few words, yeah?
Thank you very much for this awards. I'm really surprised. It's a fact that we have moved R&D from Netherlands to Poland, and we are constantly developing our Polish engineering thought. So thanks again. Thanks for the team in Pila. Thanks for the team in Kenshin. Finger crossed to make it even better. Thank you very much.
Congratulations again. Have a good evening. Okay, so moving